Before we start, these come in Imperial Standard threading, so they will work on beach bunnies, lollies, and jacks. To install these on a rainbow rider, you will want to use metric, so make sure you order the metric. This is how they come just out of the bag. If you open it up, they're going to have a battery and a very small magnet inside. If you ever need to replace the batteries, make sure to not lose that magnet. And when you screw it back on, if you screw it down tight, your jam plug will be on. So when you're done using your jam plugs, to not run out of battery, you'll take it out, unscrew the small metal piece on the end counterclockwise. If you do run out of battery, you can replace them with small watch-size 3-volt batteries. Jammerz Jam-Plugs come in a variety of colors. We have light up rainbow, light up purple, light up pink, jade swirl, purple swirl, and pink swirl. Available at moxiskates.com.